Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video here we have the question 3 power 4 plus 4 into 7 power 4 plus 4 into 11 power 4 plus 4 divided by 5 power 4 plus 4 into 9 power 4 plus 4 into 13 power 4 plus 4. So we have to solve it. Now you can see over here that power 4 is same everywhere and plus 4 is also same everywhere, and just these numbers 3 7, these odd numbers are different, so we can write n instead of odd and power 4 plus 4. So this is the general form of one bracket. So n power 4 plus 4 can be written as n square whole square plus 2 square and n square whole square plus 2 square, and adding and subtracting 4n square, and here we have n square whole square plus 4n square plus 2 square minus 4n square. Now here you can see that we are using the formula a plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So n square plus 2 whole square instead of these 3 minus 4n square can be written as 2n whole square. And since we know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, so we are doing the same n square plus 2 plus 2n and n square plus 2 minus 2n. So that is a plus b into a minus b. So writing these two bracket same and 1 plus 1 instead of plus 2 and same 1 plus 1 instead of plus 2. Now you can say that n power 4 plus 4 is equal to n plus 1 whole square instead of n square plus 2n plus 1 and plus 1 outside the bracket n minus 1 whole square instead of n square minus 2n plus 1. So plus 1 outside the bracket. Now you can say that our question is this one, and we can write this question in this form. So we are writing in this form. So 3 instead of this n and 3 instead of this n. So 3 plus 1 whole square, it means that is going to be 4 square plus 1, and 3 minus 1 whole square, it means 2 square plus 1. So 4 square 1 plus 1 into 2 square plus 1, and the same 7 instead of this n and 7 instead of this n. So 7 plus 1, that is 8 square plus 1. 7 minus 1, that is going to be 6 square plus 1. So 8 square plus 1 into 6 square plus 1. So 11 instead of this n and 11 instead of this n. So 11 plus 1, that is going to be 12 square plus 1 and 10 square plus 1. So 12 square plus 1 and 10 square plus 1. So 5 put here and put here. So 5 plus 1, that is 6 square plus 1, and 5 minus 1, that is going to be 4 square plus 1. So 6 square plus 1 into 4 square plus 1. So put 9 here and here. So 9 plus 1 whole square plus 1, that is going to be 10 square plus 1 and 8 square plus 1. So 10 square plus 1 into 8 square plus 1, and here we have 13 put here and put here. So 13 plus 1 whole square, it means 14 square plus 1, and 13 minus 1 whole square plus 1, it means 12 whole square plus 1. So 12 square plus 1. Now you can see that there are many similar brackets in the numerator and in the denominator. So almost all the brackets will be cancelled. So we are only left with 2 square plus 1 divided by 14 square plus 1. So 2 square plus 1, that is 5, and square of 14 is 196. So 196 plus 1, that is 197. So 5 divided by 197, that is going to be the answer of that. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.